Hi, this is Vineet David, Assistant Professor of SNS Institution, B Spain. Today we are going to look into the topic called democratic leaderships. What is democratic leadership? The one leader who takes everyone's opinion inside the team, as well as he gives suggestions for and he gives feedbacks to a team where he maintains everybody's opinion in one point of solution is called democratic leadership. So he takes everybody's opinion, he gets suggestions from every team members, he gets a perspective of what can be done for the problems which is arise. So on that sort of style is known as democratic leadership style. So yes, what are all the key characteristics of the democratic leaders? So he encourages participation. So he encourages everybody in a team to get participated in the work which is assigned. So in our discussions, so listen to team members. So he is a person who listens to a team member whatever the perspectives in a problem or a solutions which they are urging for. So on that point of time, he gives his ears, or like he doesn't show any partialities inside the teams. So he doesn't takes one person's perspectives or like one person's thoughts and make it a solution where he will not check or like he will not verify whether it will affect any other departments or any other team members who is currently working inside of. So he would definitely listen to everybody's opinion and he takes a solution. So next is listen to the team members and like promote shared responsibilities for outcome. So he do promotes, like he do encourages the team members to give a better outcome. So even if it is a small effort, even if it is a small thing that they have contributed to the team, the leader will definitely acknowledge it and recognize it for the future outcomes of positivities. So next is role of the leader. The leader act as a facilitator, guiding the team towards a consensus based decision rather than imposing their own views. So the leader will work as a facilitator, as a mentor. So definitely he will guide the team, he will teach the team what is more necessary, he will make the team understand how the work should be done properly. So next, what are all the benefits which we have inside? So this approach can lead to increased employee engagement, improved problem solving, and more positive work culture. So first, employee engagement. So the employee will get engaged with this work. So he himself, without any pushing or forcing him to complete a task, he himself will immerse himself into a work which is assigned for him. So improve problem solving. So if we have diverse of perspectives, so it is a one way of positive way which we can take it as we can assume where any other team get affects with the knowledge or not. So we can easily identify if the decision is made by this perspective, will it affect any other members in the department. So we can easily identify and make a perfect solving for the problems. So and it improves work culture more efficiency. So yes, so the people themselves will get some good ideas and thoughts and make them to work properly. So while coming to the office, they won't get any stress, or like they won't feel that they should not come to the office today. So they would definitely feel that it is a comfortable zone and they will work as they are into the teams. So yes, what are the key principles? Though we can see a transparency, accountability, inclusivity, and consensus building. So transparency, there will not be any hide and seek between the team or like team with the leaders. Accountability, every person in the team will take accountability of the works which they are doing. They will take the authority of the works which they are making. They will take the responsibilities of the work which they have to submit in the on the given time. So they will think that that is responsible and that work has been assigned to them to give responsible results. So inclusive, so encouraging all the team members participate, their voice, their opinion. So they everybody will get participated and everybody's voice will be recognized in a team or else in a meeting. So next one, which is going to see, we can get a diverse of perspectives and we get like diverse of things which the solutions which can be implemented for a problem that should be sorted by the leaders as they discuss with the teams. So empowering this employee and fostering collaboration. So delegate authorities, encourage feedbacks and promote teamwork. So delegate authorities, as I said, the members who are all working in the team, they will definitely take their ownership of the work which they are doing right there. So the ownership will definitely make them to feel that that is their work and the responsibilities and the accountability is themselves. So on that point of time, they would be doing that work without an error, because the the person who is responsible for it will uh, they need to answer for what they are doing of. So on that point of time, this accountability and responsibility will make them to ensure that there are no errors with their works which they are doing. So encourage feedback. So the leaders or like inside the team, the members will get encouraged by sharing their valuable feedbacks. So the leader will definitely take small efforts into a big feedback as they can make themselves more equipped in it. So the insights of the leaders will get more attracted by the employees and they would get motivated to work in a furthermore way. So promote teamwork. So everything are like same. We need to share every positive things with the teams and the negative things as much lower into a positive way. So on that point of time, the team will get more engaged in it. So, effective decision making and democratic leadership. So, first is concerns in building conflict resolutions, flexibility, and transparency. So, conflict resolutions was one of the major topic where effective manage and resolve conflicts that may arise during the decision making process, because every person perspective cannot be accepted by any other persons. So if one person is saying yes and if another person's perspective is no, then there will be creating a conflict. So on that point of time, so we need to make ensure that the conflict which is arrayed should be dissolved easily. So we need to ensure that everybody would accept that solution. So we need to be more cautious while keeping this decisions. So transparency, clearly communicating the decision making process and the ration behind the final decision. So we have to consolidate everything clearly and make peoples to understand that this is what happened. So this is what the conclusion which we are deriving from the perspective which the opinions which you have shared. So what are all the challenges and the limitations? So time consuming. So it is very time consuming because each and every opinions and perspectives will not be accepted by another person. So on that point of time, we need to resolve every other's conflicts or like every other opinions to be justified, and we have to create solutions out of it. So definitely it will consume more time. Potential conflict. So as I said before, there will be definitely a conflict between the members that I have given a potential valuable insight, but you have not considered it as a valuable insight and you have considered the another person's perspective. So how come it is possible? So we need to be in a clear solution where we should justify that this is the right decision because the opinion which is shared by the team is consolidated as such. So lack of diverseness. So the emphasis, the consensus building may result in a declutters and make through decision making timely manner. So we should consolidate as proper so that no teammates will get offended by the other teammates or to the leader. So on this point, one thing is major positive is everybody's perspectives are given. So everybody have their own perspectives in a desk. So on that point of time, leader should consolidate the decisions which is made by the team in a proper way to dissolve the problems easily or not to create a new problem inside the team. So that is uh, a kind of a place where you have to stand in a nail in the top of Himalaya. So that is very difficult to make it a possible thing. But the decision which is made in the conclusion will definitely be a positive way so that everybody can easily work on to it. So, implementing a democratic leadership practice. So, first is communicating. So, we need to openly communicate with people, or like we need to be transparent with the people. No hide and seek should be happened inside it. Training and development. Providing training and development opportunities to help members build their skills. So, we need to empathize the members, and we need to know what is their skill, and the work should be assigned to their skills, so that the leaders can be easily get the results from the members which he has assigned. If a person is good at video editing, then the person is tasked with audio engineering, then the work will not be done within the time, or like it cannot be done in a appropriate manner. So on that point of time, um, the work should be separated and it should be given in a right manner.